所以有网络的时候再说。
可以，我再看一下。可以给你发文字。哎，可以了。什么地方你清楚要直接发。可以。We are stopping here because of that waterfall that we just saw. The name of that waterfall is Vilkastellina Waterfall. Vilkastellina is a famous Croatian opera singer. I performed with the big company. And she was a superstar at that time. She was performed all around the world. She was a very beautiful girl, very wealthy girl. And she held a lot of concerts and then donated money for the Croatian opera. Basically, she put the money back. And also there's a story that there was one Swiss milkman who was very much in love with her. He followed her all across the world. Wherever she performed, that guy was there. I mean, back in the days, he had a suit. In today's terms, that's talking. I mean, it's a symbol of time. And the story is that he produced one type of chocolate and named it after Milka Plitvice. So have you heard of Milka chocolate? Named after Croatian opera singer. As I am a civil engineer, I have double checked everything. I double checked that as well. Yes, on Wikipedia and some other articles, there is Milka Plitvice story, but also there's a version, drink the milk or milk with the milk, M-I-L. And cocoa with a K, so combination, milk, ka, 1%